talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime.
Good morning. It is the day before Christmas Eve. So I know I haven't really been vlogging very much this past week, and I'm so sorry for that. I am in sales, and in sales, Christmas week is one of the busiest weeks of the year, just because I work with patients discharging out of hospitals, so everyone is trying to discharge before the holidays, so it is super crazy. And then also, that's the time that we're dropping off like Christmas cards, See's candy, coffee to all of like our top accounts or accounts that we're trying to get into. So these past few weeks, it has just been go, go, go until like 6:30, 7 o'clock each day. And it's just been a lot. Today though, I decided I should probably pick up the camera because we need some kind of content for this vlog. So right now I am driving to Petco to get the pups another holiday blowout. So they're gonna get like a bath, they're gonna get their nails trimmed, paws moisturized, get fluffed up, a little blowout and such. So we're gonna go do that because we are hosting Christmas Eve tomorrow at our house. Right now we have the cleaners. We have like a cleaning company that comes every other week. So they're at our house right now cleaning it. And then after work today, my parents are going to be coming over and helping us set up the house and the area that we're going to be entertaining in. So I'm really excited about that. I'm so ready to get everything set up and ready to go. And I'm so excited. I can't believe it's almost Christmas though. I really cannot believe it. Here we are. Oh my gosh. So there's another doodle in there. So we're waiting for them to wrap it up and then we'll head in. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with my kids. They are so cute. So just dropped them off. They're gonna be ready in like 3.5 hours, but Darren's gonna pick them up. So now I am on my way to Roseville to go pick something up from one of my coworkers that lives out there. So round 2 of the Christmas party is all set up. So here we have the setup for our family. So before we just had 2 tables deep, like 1, 2, and this time we have 3 tables deep. So instead of a total of 6 tables, we have a total of 9, but we did a very similar situation with the tablecloths, the table runner, and then we got more fresh like greenery. And this time we did it smarter. We went to, shoot, I forget what it's called. It's one of those outdoor stores because Home Depot and Lowe's were out. But Home Depot, Lowe's, they all give away these for free. So they're like the bottoms of the trees, and when they trim them to give them to people, they're like the huge like size of like branches, and then you can cut them with like shears into smaller pieces to make table runners. So this time we got all of them for free. So obviously a lot cheaper. I think we spent like 40 or 50 bucks at Costco last time just for the center areas for 6 tables. So with 9 tables, it was really cool to get that for free. So we did that, and then we got more of the flowers from Costco. Same deal with the Kohl's napkins and the beautiful little napkin rings from I got from Amazon, and then some decor throughout it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about how this all turned out. And then over here, we're gonna be doing the food tables again. So here, we're just gonna be doing like all of the main food. And then we decided that over here, we're gonna be doing like appetizers and then dessert. We were short 1 tablecloth, but my parents have more at home, so they're gonna bring them in the morning. And so we just have some like little dessert and like appetizer plates. So we're gonna be splitting these between the 2 tables once we have the tablecloths. And then all the games as usual. And then we'll put the tree on. And then we have some of our white elephant gifts down there, and my parents dropped off their white elephant gifts for them and my grandparents. And everything just came together so quickly this time because we knew what we were doing. And then we had both of my parents. We literally set all of this up and like trimming all of these pieces for the middle and clean up afterwards, everything in like 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours. But it just went so quickly this time. Over here, we did the same setup as last time. So we have all the cups, we have all the different types of wine, and then some like wine openers and like wine stoppers and such. And then this time we added some like other types of alcohol, the water bottles, and then we have refills. So we have all of the chasers at the top, and then we have a bunch of beer and seltzers, and then we have white wine in here, some more beer and seltzers on both sides. And then we have hard alcohol down here. We have a bit more variety for our family one. And then we are getting more ice that my sister's bringing tomorrow. And we'll be putting the ice in the ice maker right here because we still haven't gotten the filter thing figured out. So in the meantime, that's what we're doing. So this is everything. Hi, hunties. You're cute, you are. Kiddos back from their blowout a couple hours ago. Oh shoot, I'm not sure where Sadie is, but you can tell she's been here because all the pillows are messed up. But the cleaning people came, so the whole house is just looking super clean, super crisp, and I'm just feeling super good about this. It's only 8:30. We've been done for about an hour and just kind of hanging out, but I've never been ready this early before like an event. Oh, here's little Sadie. Hi, honeys. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? You look how fluffy you are. Yeah, pretty girl. You guys are both just so fluffy. So fluffy. Good morning and Merry Christmas Eve. Let's get started. Last night, if you guys saw a few vlogs ago and follow me on Instagram, you'd see that we harvested some of the olives from our yard, and then for 3 weeks we were brining them, changing the brine every couple days, and then for the first week, and then once a week for the next 2 weeks. And now it is time for the next stage. So we have jarred them all. We have some with white wine vinegar, some with red wine vinegar, and some with apple cider vinegar. And then we've done a mixture of different herbs. So you can kind of see some of like the spices and herbs in there. So we are waiting to see which one's our favorite. However, unfortunately, we did mix them up. So there will be 3 different flavors, but we don't really know which is which. But that's all right. We're pretty excited. Some of them are not super attractive looking because we had to like pit them all ourselves, and obviously we are not professionals by any stretch of the imagination, but we're doing our best, and I hope that they at least taste good. So my family's gonna be here in about 2.5 hours, so it's time to get started on some of the things that I'm prepping. So I am making cola de mono today. So this is like a Chilean holiday punch. It's like a traditional drink. So we use pisco, and then it also has like whole milk, water, cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, vanilla, and sugar. And then I also need 3 cups of strong brewed coffee. So I'm making some over here in the Nespresso machine. And then we have the Polar Express going, Christmas tree on, and we're just getting excited for everyone to get here. All right, so I'm getting started. I'm doubling the recipe. So I have 2 cups of cold water, 2 cups of white sugar, 8 cinnamon sticks, and 4 whole cloves. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil and then let it simmer for 5 minutes and then let it cool to room temperature. So now I've just pulled it off the heat, and all of the sugar has dissolved into the water, and we've created a syrup. So now we're going to let it sit and come to room temperature. Once it comes to room temperature, we're gonna be adding in the other ingredients, which is the milk, the pisco, vanilla, and coffee. And then I have this empty gallon water bottle that I'm going to be pouring it into and put it in the fridge because it should be served cold. So I've also decided to put the little cinnamon sticks in a bowl and have little tongs here. So that way when people pour their glass, they can put in a cinnamon stick and make it even more festive. So the syrup is now room temperature. So I've added 8 cups of whole milk. And now I need to add the coffee. 3 cups of coffee have been added in here, and I let them sit in the fridge to kind of cool down a bit so that it wouldn't raise the temperature back up. And then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla and 3 cups of the pisco. All right, our 3 cups of pisco, and we are done. 1, I believe it's pretty much the entire bottle, but I just wanna measure just to be sure. 2, perfectly the whole bottle. 3, all right, so an entire bottle of pisco. Perfect. Now we're just gonna mix this up. And now I just transfer into a large container, set it in the fridge for like 2-3 hours, ideally longer, but my family will be here in an hour and a half. Okay, so I need to do this quickly. All right, I got it in here. So there was actually a little more than a gallon, but I think I lost maybe about 8 ounces trying to pour it from the pot into here. So I quickly realized that wasn't gonna work. So instead I ladled it in. It took a little bit, but I got it all in here and I didn't lose any more. So I'm a little disappointed. I wanted this to be completely full at least, but at least we have most of it. So I just finished cleaning up the mess. I put the cola de mono in the fridge and I re-vacuumed the entire house because somehow, despite the fact that our house just got deep cleaned yesterday, there was stuff all over the ground again. So I just took care of that and my family should be here now in like an hour 10. Getting a little nervous, so I think I'm gonna go put the Christmas music on downstairs. Maybe put Christmas music on upstairs. I need to make the green bean casserole and that might be it. It's almost go time, guys. Look how cute the kids are in their little sweaters. Look how cute. And Hunty's is a little turtleneck. I love these. Super cute. So the kids are ready to rock and roll as well. The Polar Express just ended. And despite having just fluffed the pillows, the pups have taken them down once again. So I'm trying to put on Christmas songs on the TV. Okay, look at all these Merry Christmas 2022. They're like already getting ready. It is Christmas of 2021 and everyone's already doing promo for 2022. Look, 2022, 2022, 2022. What is going on? All right, starting on the green bean casserole, I'm gonna start with just 2 batches, but I got enough supplies for 3 batches. And I use excessive amounts of the French fried onions because I actually mix like half of the quantity into it and then I double the amount that goes on top. And it really is a game changer for how it turns out. And I always use canned, I never use like fresh green beans, and then I don't do any soy sauce. And it turns out amazing, and I always get compliments that it is the best green bean casserole people have ever had. All right, everyone will be here in 25 minutes. So I have put the little lights on, I turned on all of the games, and then I brought down my metal advent calendar and filled it with Christmas Hershey Kisses, set this up. My parents are coming with the other tablecloths still. They're supposed to be here a while ago. I'm not really sure where they are, but I'm sure they're coming soon. And then the speakers down here. So I'm charging the iPad and then we're just gonna play music from the iPad. That way we don't have it on one of our phones so that when we like leave the room, it doesn't like turn off. So this is the final setup. I really am just like in awe about how beautiful everything turned out. I am so excited. And then I decided to do a quick wash on some of our other throw blankets so I can stick more blankets down there. So this room is not heated down here, but the floors are heated. But I can't figure out how to turn them on. Like I thought I turned them on and I've been like practicing or like not practicing, but like testing it out. And so I've tried 4 different times over the past like 2 or 3 days to turn them on and it's still not on. So according to like the thermostat on the wall, it's only 56 degrees in here. So it's going to be freezing. Well, not freezing, like I'm actually pretty comfortable because I'm like a long sleeve and like jeans. But, and once everyone's here, it's also gonna help like warm up the room. But I know some people are gonna get cold. So I did a quick wash with like some of our throw blankets just to make sure everything like smells good. And I'm gonna bring down some more throw blankets. So that's what's going on right now. 25 minutes till everyone gets here. The countdown's happening. So now I'm gonna go get the iPad. It was literally like dead, like it wouldn't even turn on. So I'm kind of thinking I might need to charge it in a different part of the room and then at least just have it like Wi-Fi connected because we need music. Music's going, it's go time. All right, people are supposed to come in 4 minutes. So I have the serving stuff out. In this oven, I have the spinach feta puffs. This oven is coming to temperature, but I have jalapeno poppers. And then once these come out, I'm putting in mozzarella sticks. So So for Christmas this year, me and my friends did Secret Santa, and whoever got me these gorgeous PJs. I absolutely love this. And then a Apple AirTag because I literally lose everything. So they just know me so well. The pajamas have like matching bottoms, so it's this beautiful, like super soft, silky pajama set, and I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to wear this. Look, oh my gosh. Yesterday, we finally took down Christmas, and our house just looks so incredibly empty. It just makes me realize how little decor we actually have in here. Also, I don't think I ever showed you guys from last video, our bigger vase finally came in from at home. So finally it looks correct once again. This was the bigger one right here, is the one that someone broke at our friend Christmas party. Hello and Happy New Year. So it has been over a week since my last clips. I did not record Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. Christmas Eve we spent with my dad's side of the family, and I haven't seen them in I think 2 years, some of them 3 years. So I just really wanted to enjoy everyone and spend time with my family. And then Christmas Day, my grandparents came over, and I don't get to see them very often. So I really just wanted to enjoy everyone. So I don't have a lot of clips from that. So I'm really sorry about that. And then a couple days after Christmas, I was exposed to COVID, and I got COVID, which was great. I am fully vaccinated, and I have had COVID before, but because I am immunocompromised, apparently that still was not enough to strengthen my body enough to fight it off or prevent me from getting it. So I got it, had all the symptoms. It was great. Because of that, also did not vlog because you guys did not need to see that. Now here we are, it is the first week of January, and it is about time that I finish this off. I've been feeling back to normal for a couple days. I finally tested negative. So yesterday I went and got my hair fixed because all of this like light brown was back to blonde. So I got my toner fixed up, and I just trimmed up the ends to make my hair nice and healthy again. So I'm feeling myself finally once again. I also wanted to let you guys know a bit about what my next few videos are going to be. So first off, the videos that do the best on my channel are DIY videos. So I thought this was absolutely perfect. For Christmas, I got the Cricut Maker machine, which is something that I've been wanting for like a really long time. I've looked up all of these really cool projects that I can make, and I have got all the tools and materials so I can practice. So my next video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the machine and the Easy Press and all of the different things that I got, and I'm gonna bring you guys along on my firsts for all of these projects. So I'm so excited to make those videos for you guys. So if you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby.